Welcome to Sprinkle Time, everybody, and in this video we will be decorating leftover cookies from last week's camping episode, and I've added some frogs. I won't lie, this video went horribly wrong, so I'm gonna share with you my struggle. I've been decorating cookies for years, but some days are just bad cookie days, and sometimes things just don't turn out the way you want it to. So in this video, we decorate a bear, a mosquito, and 2 frogs. Alright, let's get into it. Let's begin with this frog cookie. So we're gonna make the outline with outline consistency royal icing, and we're gonna mess up a bunch of times before we get it. So frustrating. Right, now we're gonna go and flood the cookie with royal icing. Perfect, that went well. Let's add a little bit of character to this cookie. She is bold and a little bit sassy, I can tell. And let's add a shirt and mess up a bunch of times before getting it. Sometimes I have to practice a design up to 8 times before I get it right. And that's just with the cookies. Learning to film and edit videos, that's a whole other thing. And I've only just started that, so I have many more years of practice to go. I have no idea what kind of shoes I'm trying to add here. They look kind of cool, I guess. Okay, we'll just add some silver. There she is! Okay, moving on to the next one. We'll do the same thing. We'll outline it and we'll mess it up a bunch of times. Why don't we just scrap that and try again? And again. And again. Flooding the cookie is the fun part. That is most satisfying. And I'm not really sure what I'm trying to do with the hair here, so let's just flood over whatever I did there. Let's add some character to the frog. Give her some eyelashes and some pretty lips. I still don't have a name for this one. We've got the hair, the shoes, and it's time to add some sparkle. I added a ring there if you didn't see it. Not too bad. Okay, now we're gonna make the bear. So let's outline the face. And I think I made the icing a little bit too thin because it is flooding everywhere. So let's try that again. We're gonna double outline it this time. And we're gonna flood it. Nope, that didn't work. Okay, we're just gonna wipe this one clean, and I think now we're going to outline the face and then fill it with outline consistency royal icing so it's a bit more thick. We'll do the same with the body. And we'll add in the stomach. We're gonna use this tip to add some fur. Add some face details. Scary face and a mouth, and some teeth, and some claws. There we have it, the scary bear. Okay, moving on to the mosquito. This one actually went pretty well. I didn't face a lot of major challenges along the way, so let's just enjoy this cookie being filled. I almost ran out of icing here, but thankfully I had just enough. Mr. Mosquito. That went well. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. I know it was really frustrating and it was not satisfying to watch, but I hope you can see my progress and understand that some days are just bad days. I didn't have time to decorate that RV in this video, but here are all the cookies together. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, etc. and I'll see you again. Bye!